Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to remove and replace the battery in a 2006 Toyota Camry. Procedures will be similar for most Camry models from 2006 to 2011, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. Use a ratchet and deep 10mm socket or wrench to loosen and remove the fasteners securing the battery hold down. Then move or set the hold down aside. Use a 10mm socket or wrench to loosen and set aside the battery cables, starting with the negative cable, then the positive. With the cables detached, you should be able to lift out the old battery. Set the new battery in the tray. Use battery terminal cleaner to remove any protective coating from the battery posts. Place new battery terminal protectors on the posts to help prevent corrosion. Reposition the battery hold down, making sure the hook at the bottom of the rod at the back is secured properly. And use your 10mm deep socket or wrench to secure the fasteners. Reattach your positive battery cable first and tighten with your 10mm socket or wrench, then the negative. Double check the cables to make sure they're secure. Take your terminal protector spray and shake the can well. Hold it 10 to 12 inches from the surface and spray down the battery tray, terminal cables, and battery posts. You can wipe off any terminal protectant overspray from the battery case or engine compartment with a shop towel or rag. Close the hood. O'Reilly Auto Parts stores can also test your battery for free if you suspect it may need to be replaced and help you find the right replacement battery for your vehicle if necessary. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.